Solve. Y equals 7. 3x plus y equals 37. Answer is x equals 10, y equals 7. Factor. X superscript 2 plus 4x plus 3. Answer is x plus 1, x plus 3. Solve. X superscript 2 plus 7x plus 6 equals 0. Answer is minus 6, minus 1. Solve. Y equals 10. For x plus y equals 46. Answer is x equals 9, y equals 10. Simplify. 5x plus 7x. Answer is 12x. Factor. 18x plus 42. Answer is 6, 3x plus 7. Factor. X superscript 2 plus 13x plus 36. Answer is x plus 4, x plus 9. Add. 7x plus 4, plus 8x plus 7. Answer is 15x plus 11. Solve. X superscript 2 plus 12x plus 27 equals 0. Answer is minus 3, minus 9. Simplify. 9x plus 7x. Answer is 16x. Add. 1x plus 7, plus 8x plus 8. Answer is 9x plus 15. Solve. X superscript 2 minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. Answer is 4, 4. Solve. X superscript 2 plus 10x plus 16 equals 0. Answer is minus 2, minus 8. Solve. X superscript 2 minus 14x plus 49 equals 0. Answer is 7, 7. Factor. X superscript 2 plus 10x plus 24. Answer is x plus 4, x plus 6.